Hi everyone! Ito na ito dali pag malandagan sa dito laguan. Dungog na ba ni? So hi guys! I'm here again sa kusina. So, kusina, direct ko sa kusinira ha. Certified kusina, kay narakanunes kusina, kay nang limpyo. So, how was your weekend? How was your Saturday? How was your Sunday? So, napugoy day off, no? Saturday, Sunday. So, what I love Saturday, Sunday. So, today we will discuss about love languages. So, still, first of all, I just want to thank you all the followers that now we are 6.3 from 5,000 kapino. So thank you guys for following me, and thank you Meta for removing my restrictions of doing reactions and posting comments, but still I cannot follow first. So whoever's following me, I assure that I follow you back. So, thank you for that, and shout out to Fabs TV and all the followers who commented on my previous videos or even in my reels. Thank you, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Kay bawal ako ipakita-kita mi Almara ang cellphone sa karon kay mag-tantrums. And let's proceed. Hagbong atong kuan. So, I'm here in the kitchen, guys. And, you know, slow connection na pod. So, come on na itarong sa kong nagway diha, ha. So, today, we will discuss about 10 lang gihapon. So, 10 top powerful tips of love languages. And then, how understanding them improves your relationship. So, you might be having, or you have already been experienced this, but you didn't really focus on that. So different types of personalities has different types of expressing their kanang love languages, no. Some are sweet, or some are showing off, or they show how they love you. They kisses you in public, they hug you in public, they hold your hands in public. But there are also some couples or in a relationship, they don't do like that, no. They are not kanang kuan sana PDA or public display of attention. So let's dive in, and 10 top tips. And whoever is watching, please do react pud mo, no, kung kuan para ma-inspire po ko gama-gama og mga inani, no. React, or maybe you will share to someone you love na ipadungog-dungog nila na kanang pansina pud akong love language, no. No, and then others also can say relate, or you can share this to your loved ones na thank you for showing me this kind of love language. I didn't understand that at first, but now I truly understand your actions. Okay, actions speak louder than words, man. Then not by words, which is uplifting, but it wasn't uplifting, no. Sometimes words also can cause you death, no? Makamatay ng words, guys. So let's start. So first, love is expressed in different ways. Sorry, not everyone loves the same way. Learning your partner's love languages help you connect on deeper level. So, as I have said, sorry guys, nagkaon ko kuan snowbird. Kay, maling dudanon tano, kabuhuyonon. So, this is one of way of for me coping up kuan, trying to let go smoking. Because once you will be having depression and anxiety, guys, and then you started to smoke also, it's mura po na siya gugma. Lisod, let go, no. No matter how try that this is really toxic, it's not healthy to your body. But don't be like me, ha. Try to as early as you can. Or if you are not smoking, don't smoke. Because once you start smoking, it's like a magnet. You cannot let it go easily. So, hi. Can you go there? Oh, no phone. No phone. No phone. No phone. No phone. No phone. No phone for you. If you want, just sit here next to me, be. Oh, what are you going? Amara. Come here. Down. Down. Go down. Go there. Balik na katod. Go there. Go there. You finish eating? Can I give you something to eat? Here, you want candy? Here. Hey. I didn't open it. Yeah, open. Here. Go there, wait. Go there. So, mo to guys. Sorry for that. So, managingan lagi na different person, different personality, different styles. So, different way na sila mag-express sa inyong love nimo, no? So, let's move on to the second one. Words of affirmation. Speak love into their souls. Some people feels most love through kind words, compliments, and encouragement. Your words can build or break them. So, mula gitong giingan ninyo guys na sometimes words can encourage someone, sometimes it discourages them, or it will lower their self-esteem. No? So, instead na partner nimo or uyab nimo or parents baron or workmates baron nimo. So, this love is not only showing about your kanang intimate relationship. So, in general, your words also affects others, no? Emotionally. So, if they cannot bear that kind of emotions, then agto na maapektuhan sa ilang brain. So, it will affect their brains. So, this is one of our advocacy, no? Mental health matters really. Important yun. So, kanang parehas na nga, affirmation guys na gigugmatik ka. Inana po nang di ka inang ga, gigugmatik ka. No? Wa di unod, no? So, dapat na po na unod inyong kanang words when you speak to your kanang partners sa inyong mga relationship, no? Kasi naman akong kuan nga low connection man jud basta kamo na bahala dahil nagkahibat na ning dagway na. So number 3, act of service, actions speak louder than words. So mo tong giingan nyo guys ha. Nga action really speaks louder than words. So unsa man na siya? Unsa day na manang Flores na imong gipangyawit diha. So for some, love isn't just spoken. Is it shown on a small throughout actions like making their favorite meals, no? It really means a world to them. Na, for example, sa akong past relationship, no? Katulad sa papa ni Amara is whenever I came home, I'm so tired from work. No, I don't have even time to cook or even to do something. So usually, if he doesn't have any duty or most of the time, Jude, he's the one who's cooking, cleaning the house, doing the laundry, because he's the one who's always have a free time after his duty. Or if he's working, when he was still working in the airlines, so naman siya na yung mga remaining food from the airways or airlines. So he always bring packed foods, okay, especially if he doesn't have a time to cook or we don't have the wala pa may na groceries, no? So or tight budget. So he always bring those food kay sayang ba paglabay ra na nila, no? So this is small kind of kanang love language food guys, no? Doing the laundry for you instead of doing the kanang mga partner ninyo ba nga sila na mo buhat sa tanan di lang ikaw, no? It's not about buying a lot of expensive items or kanang bringing your flowers, especially on February 14, no? Let's be practical also na instead, especially kung walang-wala juga, no? Don't do loan or credits just to show that you have this if na-acquire tag you guys, if you have set aside money for that, then why not? But if you're just going to take a loan, to take a home credit and whatsoever, hi Queen! Long live the Queen! Na, naguba nagahong gigamang ko ang Queen ni Jaka Ija Manggi. Labog-labog usahay, nangatang-tang no, ang pudra-tarong o bulit good kay. Lagi glugan. Diya kay gusto naman suotong man ng isang crown, sumuon na ang ending ng tangtang. Ora man ng sprayhan dun og kuan. Gold, labang mo init-init mo sila padayon nag-init res ta libon, no? So shout out guys sa mga makadaog sa kuan, no, sa paraffle ni Mayor. So guys, if you will be the one who will be choosing, hi Queen. Fix the crown, Queen. Fix the crown. It's opposite. Oh, tawa na. Nagkaputi-puti naman ni Love na naman ni Love. Look na si Mahal Boss. This is the crown queen. Oh, crown queen. No, opposite. This is for the king. The other side is for the king. If it's like this, means it's a king. If it's front, means queen. B. It's a queen. B, dali. B. The queen. Di na. Keep to mommy, be the queen. Keep to mommy. Dali. Amara. Can I borrow the queen's crown? Or the king's crown, be? Ayaw lagi. Kanang kuan mo. Kabadot dyan na si Jaoy. So, na. Atas number 4 kaya dala na din na igo. Receiving gifts through thoughtfulness of over price tag, no? A meaningful gift, either unsa na siya big or small, can be a powerful way to say I was thinking of you. It's about the thought behind it, no? When you buy something, paraan kung gipalit sa papa ni Amara na kwintas, na isda, paises, o katong mga pang pahinlo sa kukoy na. So sa hoy, gina ako. Dali. Mani akong monkey, magsige magka ng kabayo, So, muna siya guys na, listen to mommy. Muna siya guys na, so ay mo tanaw kas presyo, no, kaya na pa may tago yung mga kita kas resibo. Uy, mahal naman dahil ni. Ikorta na lang to. So, kanina na, mga thoughtfulness, they think of you, no? It's not about the flower, it's not about the cake, it's about the thought, no? Na, ginahuna kaniya, niya palitan kaniya ginani, no? Di man po na sa ingon nga gasto-gasto, pero na dyan na nga ma-surprise ka, masindot po dyan nga ma-surprise ka guys, kaysa imong i-demand. So, let's move on. Quality time, be present, not just there. Okay? Some people crave individuals' attention. Put your phone down, listen, and create a meaningful moments together. So, what does it mean, guys? Nga, quality time is very important, no? Ako ray quality supervisor, no? Wa jud quality time sa kung ana sa una. Okay, cellphone ug laptop pero man kanunay. So mo na siya na as I mentioned last video na even if you're having lunch or dinner or meal together, have a time with them, talk to them ng eye to eye or heart to heart talk, no? It's not just about that you're in a restaurant, fancy things, especially in this coming February 14, mag-date mo on that. Dahil tuwa, dahil ito value inyong pag-date, inyong quality time, inyong hanang duha. So, manage to turn off your phone and then be together, you know, drink wine or have a wonderful meal. Yan kita love mo man sa matalad. Mag-pizza ta. Gumaratag pizza. So, then, aray natin number 6. Physical touch. Kuya Baboy. Apel po siya dere. Mone, about love, no? Bahalag magka-joke kung kadiha. Basta kay magpa-attention, center of attraction mo po ni siya.
Bye.
Bye-bye, nanay.
Bye.
Where is your kanang kuan cookie? Who took the cookie in the cookie jar? Be, down. Down.
Yes, true.
Who? Mommy? Be, slowly. Be, slowly. Be, slowly, be, kay mag-untas ko ang electric pan kay ilong. Okay. Can you just go down manang? Ay, wa na lang.
What's up?
Nabuktot na ko. Darag water.
Eat.
Eat ka karon. Manguha ra man kag kuan. Phone.
What's up?
What you want to eat? Di? Wala guys. Kalamukat na ng dagway na. Ang sinamang po. Ayaw lagi na ilabdi kay ma-off na. No. Oh, arin na nas baba. Maghangad na lang ko dito. Maghangad na lang ko para makitaan.
Okay.
Mahog ka lagi diha manang. Mahog lagi ka diha. May kay alimuot ka ayo. Ayaw lagi hilag. No. Sige na. We'll continue our kind discussions. Be. Eat. You just finish eating. You eat man ka ng kuan. Oy, you eat unsa man timong gi-eat crab. So, me. You eat me? No. Bato, sara bato ay? Wa na jud guys. Naunsa na niya akong purma diri guys. Mo nang di jud ko ka-live everyday no kay. So, physical touch. For those like love. Unsa na imong gikanta? Unsa na imong gikanta? Okay. Mommy is talking. Stop, mommy is talking. Mommy is talking. Pamira ng buhok. Mara. Mara, down na, be. Where's the crown queen? Where's the crown? Here's the crown. Oops. Go there, be. Go there, be. Ano mo na? Be. Go and play. Uy, makuan ka din ha, manang. Guys, asa na ta? Nawa na ito ang kuan. So, physical touch, love, and every embrace. So, for those, for some, hugs, kisses, or even holding hands are the strongest expressions of love. Physical closeness foster emotional security. So, as I have mentioned, that there are other couples also, they don't like this kind of gestures or love languages. So, they want it like in private, no? They don't want to show that they are in a relationship, or sometimes even some people, they were surprised that, you are in relationship to this guys. Like for Amara's father, it's not like that. Because still, or even because it's a Muslim country, you cannot also do this PDA. It's not advisable, no? Because of that. Love, naunsa naman tahan ni Love. Nagsiguro mong kagtuyak. Buhay na ako. Okay, just stay there and don't move. So, number 7. Love languages help avoid misunderstanding. Okay? Loving someone in a way they don't understand can lead to frustration. So, part of mental health, guys, na mag-expect ka na ano naman siya, di naman ko niya love, di naman siya mag-kiss na ko, di naman siya mag-hug na ko, di naman siya mag-kuan, no? So, still open communication, guys, no? As I have mentioned in my previous video, communication is really plays the vital role in a relationship. Okay? It's part of your love languages. It's not about just kanang kisses. It's not about hug. It's not about kuan. So need attention and communication. Clear communication, especially instead nga magbinanghagay mo, talk it out. Talk it out in a respectful manner. Let's say that I have something to tell you. I have noticed na di nakalambing na ko. So, una lambing kay ka. Nya karon di na. No, just talk it out, guys. Number 8. And then, napalito siya sumpay. Learn what makes them feel value. No? So, basin ikaw dahil ito'y nagkuwang sa. So, nagkuwang ganit ka. So, just talk it out. What do you want? What she really wants? Especially the beginner pa, tapos mga in a relationship. Pero, katapog na mga minyo na mo, asawag ba na? So, just kanang make the fire burning. Ipod nang sa away, fire burning na kanang mag-uros-uros, di hapon ang gugma ba kanunay. So, number 8. Your love language may differ from theirs. So, lahi-lahi yun na siya. Just because you express love a certain way doesn't mean your partner does. Learn to love them in the way they need it. So, for example, guys, ano mo kay background music. Mita din ako ni mo ma-charge og extra ka kuan ha kay original niya ko ang music background. Yes. And the name the Father. And the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Very good. Yeah. So what does it mean, guys, na imahang love doesn't it's not the same with others, but what does it mean is imuhara na siya. Okay, maktong batang duha. Bibi. Na nagkawa na mas mami. Just because you express love in a certain way doesn't mean your partner does. So learn to love them in the way they need it. Especially guys na they are in a kanang down situation. Maybe they were not happy at work, or maybe there's something going on at work, or maybe within their families. So just be their support, no? This is one of other expressing love also. This is also one another thing of expressing love. Dalibi, sis ko nga wang. Agay, ano das this? No ako. Mana akong lab. Mana akong lab na. Badlungon. 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 Ha? Asa ang ilok bi? Ang ilok bi? Ilok bi? 1, 2, 3. Where's Samara? Present. Present. 1, 2, 3. So, you have to understand also, guys, because they are maybe going through something. that they couldn't understand you at that moment kay basi galambing-lambing pug kanyo nakagipansin nila, no? So try to understand, ask them what is going on with you. Are you okay? Is everything all right? Is there something that I can help you, or maybe they just wanted to be alone? No, mas hindi wanted to be alone. Hatagi pala sa pagkaon. Diba mapas mo na sila, guys. Mano na naisilbihan na maturiring, no? So, bitaw. Just kanang kuan, just be there in case they need, in their needs. No? They need you for sure. They need you to be there with them. Just without saying any words, without saying any judgmental words, just be quiet next to them. No, if they don't want to answer at that moment also. Kaya naman dyan na tao nga sa Heidi, pag ganahan mo tingog, no? This is part of that. Kanang kung ano understanding ka, be patient with them, no, with her or with him. So, hindi naman niya, magsinay ka mapagong ka diha. Hindi naman niya, Be, number 9 na tabi. Let's make it as fast as we can. Okay. Love languages, strengthen emotional intimacy. Love language, intimacy niya. When you love someone, the way they need emotional intimacy depends na mulaw pa jud siya ba, creating stronger, healthier relationship. Kaya ani gusto jud siya kanun na affection, gusto siya kanun na attention sa mga na siya. Bahala na nga piko ning ilong ani, bahala ning samot ni kalapad nitong ilong ani. No? No? Bahala. No? Shush. Ay. So, muna siya guys. That relationship also creates or depends your relationship. Not only that, you can also have these benefits in your hormone. No? I have already talk about this topic also na katong hormone kana mga hormone about endorphin, katong melatonin. Ayaw pa dito nagpag-melatonin tayo. Endorphin, dopamine, no? Katong endorphin is kanang pain hormone, pain reliever hormone, niya. Dopamine is katong pleasure hormone. Oxytocin is the love hormone, especially na og makabuo na mo baby mo na siya ang inyong gatas, guys. Mo na siya especially sa mother, no. Mo na ang oxytocin niya. Ang serotonin mo na siya ang mood hormone. So, imagine, og ginana inyong gugma no, nag-uros-uros, no? Mo na nga ang level sa inyong mga hormones sa body, it will increase and it will become more stronger. No? So, kabantay mo na uban nga. Mura naman na siya galuya. Oy, wa naman na siya gugma na po. Basta lora na ilahang koan, guys. Ilahang hormonal balance. Can you see it? Now we are in the last part. Last but not the least. Okay. Kaya ko ano da. Nanima. Uy, maho na kang singot. Hastas mama, nanima ho ng singot. Buntag po ganit sa iyo. Tugtug, 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 tugtug. In my belly, in my tummy, I have belly button. In my tummy, I have belly button. Agay karon. Dali ka. Tikwe. Mom is coming. Me? Anak. Bi? Mapakog lagi ka anak ko. Na. Maran sa amara na siya ka ng kuan, serotonin. No? It increase her serotonin, mood hormone. mood hormone, it involves your sleeping, kanang di ka sa puton. No? Oxytocin, nang nakakuha lang is I was so much stressed with my work, so I don't produce too much of breast milk. So, bet na nag-breast milk na siya na ako for 2 months ra. Kaya, oatmeal ra yung kinaon ako, guys, itong nabuntis ko niya. Then, I deliver her 8 months pa lang. Because that was the advice of our doctor nga. Ay, nakita na ng kandi sa imong kuan. Imong klibid siya, imong libot. No? So, muna siya, 8 months niya. Paano siya, guys, kanang 3.5 kilo when she came out. So, dako dito siya purya-buya. Kung tingnan sa una, murag triplets. Kadakon. Oh, no. Sit here. Sit to mommy, be. Sit to mommy in front, be. Be. No. So, inana na, guys, daw, mangumot siya buhok. No, ayaw lang dito siya kumuta po balik yung buhok. Ang iyang mentality, magkinumutay na po magbuhok. Pinarahay magbuhok. So, no, love. See? People are watching you and then you're doing this kind of kuan. Nana, birth. 10 ata. So, 10, understanding love languages. Okay. Ano man na, labi? Release. Ayaw ng kwintas, love kay. Nanay, sentimental value. Uy, mamukas naman. So, understanding love languages improves all relationship. In my tummy, I have belly button. Ano man yung, hindi man yung belly button, hindi man yung belly button, ano yung diribi? So, understanding love languages improves all relationships. It's not just for romantic partners. Knowing love languages helps in friendship, family bond, and even workplace relationship. Muna siya, guys. No? So, I hope na katungtan nga topics na discuss na ho, no? Mas ganang aliwaros. Pasensya na dyan mo. Kaya na ko, bata dyan nga kuhan kayo pa-affectionate pa niya. Ay, papansin po niya ka na na. Ay, manang di ko ka-live-live. Huwag tarong, guys. Sa morning, magkahibat yun na, no? Ang dagway. So, pasensya na dyan mo na. So, other thing, guys, if one of your challenges is you have noticed to your partner, mabae man na o malaki, so guwapa or guwapo, then they are not intimately affected to you or so please consult clinical doctors, no, who are specialized with this, no. If you feel that they are so weak, di na sila gana sa inyong romansa diha. So go. But if this person is really healthy, he doesn't have any physical challenges, then why not try Viagra, try Robust, no? And try this unsa pa to nga usang ganin. Max Drive, di ba? Max Drive coffee kanang nas mga radio, di ba? Kasi minaw diha. Or daghan pa nas pharmacy pangutana mo. But much better check with your doctor, no? Just to see. This is also a kind of preventive measures, guys, no? We never know. A girl is now suffering from a cervical cancer or something like that, or maybe the guy is now suffering from prostate gland cancer. So it will affect their relationship with you through bed. Di na sila ganahan, di na mo barog, di na babakuan, wa ni mo gawas ina na, no? So kana mo junay kay nunay niyo i-watch out pod, no? And that's one of the reason also pod nga mo na wa na nay gana imong partner diha kay mo na kakuwangan mamadji or malaki na lang. So kasi hindi ay na may mga clinical issues, no? Just ipa-check lang dyan na, no? Pero Why not? Hapit na raw ang 14. Just to fire up your kuan romance. So gamiti jud og kanang kuan robos guys nga kanang powder. Isud drug kape og hilig sa kape hala ibubo dito sa kape nida. Paim no, og na jud mo barok hala paim nagbayagra. No, og gagimhang babae di na jud mo kuan hilig sa kape paim nag-drive max. Yeah. Drive to the max. Dili na siya sponsored guys, huh? It's just an advice. Yeah? So, mga to guys, rin to gayan. I hope you have learned something for today's video. Mas kalamukat na yung dagway, din kahibat na yung now. Anita, I have my original soundtrack background. Ano yung mga love kuan guys nga. Dila na sa inyong partner ha, but to your kids as well. Sulit ka kada skate lo. Kaning pilok big, kaning pilok na tagas gabi. Ice cream kakaroon, ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Hello. Ice cream. Okay, let's go. We will buy ice cream. We'll buy ice cream now. Well, ask Nanay, can we have 20 pesos for ice cream? Na, ay, kumapakong lagi na. So, that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. And I hope you will have a great day for today. Today is February 10. 4 days more to go. Og, mag-uros-uros na inyong gugma. No? So, mag-uros-uros, gato nagpaabot sa inyong ano? Inyong nagpaabot og kanang mahatagan magyihan unta mas Ginoo sa inyong kuan wa jud sukod guys iampo ra jud na kani si Amara giampo ra jud ni Senyor Santo Niño, so pray always i-update jud na sa imong kanang pag-ampo nga Ginoo ko in town tiguwang nako hatagan lang jud anak no, so kana apila siya sa inyong kuan pag-ampo guys no, ampo lang jud unsa inyong kuan karon gisuffer niyo karon iampo ra jud na. No? So, that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. And, well, kuan, napod sa next updates. So, thank you and have a great day. Bye for now. Bye.